Meet Sarah. She's a small business owner who spends her day managing clients and growing her brand. One day she gets a strange email from someone she's never met, someone who knows her email, phone number, and even where she works. Sarah is confused and a bit alarmed. How did they get all this information? Chances are, Sarah's details were pulled from a data broker site like National Database. National Database collects and shares contact information for over 700 million professionals worldwide, including emails, phone numbers, and even social media profiles. While it's marketed as a networking tool, it can leave your personal data exposed to people you don't want to hear from. Like Sarah, you don't have to accept this. In today's video, I'll show you how to opt out of National Database and take back control of your personal information. Here's how Sarah removed her information from National Database, and you can too. Head to InfoTracer.com, scroll to the bottom of the homepage, and click the Do Not Sell My Info link. Type in your first and last name in the fields on the next page and select your state and click Submit. If your information is found, click on the Remove My Data link next to the record. You will need to enter an email address and complete the CAPTCHA. Once you have done this, click on the Submit button. An email with a confirmation link will be sent to the email address specified. You will need to click on the confirmation link to complete the opt-out request. Manually opting out of data brokers can be time-consuming and tedious. But what if there was a faster way? Pure Privacy offers an automated service that uses a powerful algorithm to find data brokers holding your information and sends 200+ opt-out requests at once, saving you time and stress. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more privacy tips.